Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a texture with opacity in Arnold in Maya. I will also touch on some display issues that Arnold has. The process is not as simple as it should be, and it has some issues or possible glitches. So I will also introduce you to potential solutions that you may need in case things didn't work out perfectly. So here's my scene. I have this plane, which I applied a material to it, Arnold standard surface material, and I named it Decals sheet material. Now I have these two images, this one stickers with transparency, and this one here is the mask. So select the material and then go all the way here to color, and then drag and drop with middle mouse button from this material all the way to color. Okay, so this is what they look like. Now I have here Collen's beautiful hard surface vehicle, and what I want to do with these decals is to apply them on that truck. But first I need to make sure that before I segment this sheet, I need to make sure that I have opacity. Again, here's the material. I'm gonna drag and drop now the mask, but where? I'm gonna go all the way to geometry and go to opacity. Drag and drop this mask in here. Okay, now let's render. Okay, there you go. Now I mentioned that I'm going to touch on a display problem in Arnold. So what is that problem? The problem is that we cannot see through the opacity in the interface aside from the render. To fix that, you go to the renderer, you go to the option box of the viewport 2, performance, and you want to change from object sorting all the way to alpha cut. And that is how it's done.